Okay, now we are going to see the history of computers. Before the 1500s in Europe, calculation were made with an abacus, and in 500 BC, they invented many cultures in China, Mesopotamia, Japan, Greece, Rome, etc. And in 1642, French mathematician, physicist, philosopher, he invented a mechanical calculator that is named as a Pascaline. In 1671, German mathematician philosopher extended the Pascaline to do multiplication, division, square root, and square root. That is called a stepped reckoner. And also, none of these machines have memory. None of these machines they didn't have any memory, and they required only when human interventions for each step. And generation of a computer is terminology is a change in a technology. A computer was being used. Initially, the generation term was used to distinguish between a varying hardware technologies. But nowadays, generations includes both hardware and software to use for a computer system, entire computer system. And there are many generations or there, and there is a first generation. In the first generation, the period is 1946 to 1959. That time they are used vacuum tube based, and second generation is from 1959 to 1965. In that generation, the transistor based system is used in the second generation, and the third generation is taught from 1965 to 71. In the generation, IC based system is used, that is integrated circuit chip is used. And the fourth generation, the periods of fourth generation is 1971 to 1980. That is a VLSI microprocessor based system is used. That is a VLSI is nothing but is a very large scale interface. And fifth generation is from 1980 till now. The fifth generation is running on. In the generation, instead of VLSI, we use a ultra large scale interface is used. We are all used now. And the first we move for first generation computers. Already I said the 1946 to 1959 the periods of first generation, and the computer of first generations used vacuum tubes. The tubes is like electric bulbs, produce a lot of heat, and the installations used for a fuse frequently. So there is a more expensive, and only the large organizations who have able to buy a more cost affordable price, they are only bought that system. In the generation, mainly batch processing OS was used. There is a punch card, paper tape, and magnet tapes was used as an input and output device. The computer in the generation used a machine code as a programming language. These are the things that occurs in punch cards, like that only this. The main features of this first generation are these are the things: a vacuum tube. Vacuum tube can take more heat. So definitely AC wants. Without AC, these are the things are not able to be along with in the room. Vacuum tube technology, it's unreliable. Unreliable means we can't able to trustworthy. And supported machine language only. Machine language is nothing but the zeros and ones only. It can able to be support in the time, and also very costly. Generate a lot of heat. Slow input and output ways. Nowadays we phone memory is high, means our phone can be hang like that only, and they all take more time to process anything. Slow input. If we give an input means it takes more time to take. Then only this input only is occurs, like that we only understand. And output device, huge sizes are big. We want a AC and non-portable. We can't able to take in one hand, like that, not portable. Consumed a lot of electricity. These are the computers names: ENIAC, EDVOC, UNIVAC, IBM 701, IBM 650. These are the things in the generations. These are the things of the computer names. Enumerated, numerical, integrated, like that, all these computers names. Then second generation computers, the period of second generations was from I already said 1959 to 1965.